You see what I deal with every day?
How would you not love having sex in a bathtub full of Skittles? How possible?
That's why I love it.
Freaking Skittles. It's like, Skittles. I'd sit there and be like, Skittles. Skittles. It's like, I need to find a green one. You can't beat
Just mid-course. Andrew.
Yeah.
It's worse than crabs.
I need to ask you an important
With
question.
becoming shirtless every 5 seconds.
Skittles?
What?
Bacon.
Bacon Skittles.
I've lost so much respect.
I'm sorry.
Skittles, bacon, or gay bacon strips.
Gay bacon strips. Gay bacon strips.
Oh, like awesome bacon.
You know what's on top of my list? Skittles.
Bacon with so much grease and fat on it.
The only thing that will match Skittles on the top of my list is toast.
Just eggs in the bathtub,
They're fine.
covered in
What?
bacon grease.
Eggs in the bathtub?
Yeah, because...
You know
Hold
that's
on,
gonna
is the bacon still in the bathtub?
the bacon is in the
Okay, so you're eggs in the bathtub, covered in bacon grease. Wake up next morning, covered in eggs. Yeah, Skittles.
Yeah, but if you if you sleep in a bathtub full of Skittles,
You just eat them.
it's just gonna dissolve the skin away.
Yeah, you wake up, breakfast in bed. Hey guys, how you doing?
Yeah. Yeah.
Logic.
You're gonna wake up covered in like, you know how when you hold Skittles for a long time and the
You get
color
rainbow?
just melts off into your hand and it just dyes your.
So
you're
what?
gonna
You're
wake
telling
up-
me that being
You're
rainbow
gonna wake
colored
up
is
like
bad?
you're gonna wake up
Racist.
like My Little Pony.
Racist.
Are you telling me that being rainbow
hey-
colored is a bad thing?
You fall
I
asleep,
wouldn't want to be
you
rainbow
fall asleep in a
colored.
bathtub of Skittles. You're gonna wake up covered in rainbow dots. You're gonna look fabulous.
Oh god.
Exactly, I don't want to look like.
It won't even. No, you'll have so much swag. It's like, look guys, I'm
Andrew doesn't want
Skittle
swag.
Man. I am Skittle Man. Hey Batman, Skittle Man. Beat me now.
My name is Midberry
You're like,
Crunch.
you're throwing batarangs. I'm making people happy.
I have a
Rainbows.
Skittle.
Yeah.
Skittle.
Rainbow.
I would be like, hey guys, look at me, I'm rainbow colored. Swag.
I think the reason you guys are going through it is you're just taking sips when it feels like you should take a sip. You're not
I just
actually
take
thirsty.
sips all
It's just
the time.
it's fun. It's fun to drink things sometimes.
It's like if this were Skittle flavor.
Steve sipping, I'm done.
Okay, I know how to do this now. Make it to where, like the little dispenser thing, Skittle juice. Skittle
You know
Skittle
what?
flavor.
No, take one of those smoothie makers and just dump Skittles in it and see what it does. What would it do? I mean, they could get like
Smoothie maker?
they could get
Just
juice
pure
out of a
sugar
ginger
will come
root.
out.
They could get juice out of a Skittle.
Instead of cherry, I would like a
Just red
Sprite
Skittles?
flavored with some Skittles.
Get a Sprite and just put a whole
You
bunch of
can
red
like
Skittles in
put Skittles in ice cubes and then put them in your
Yeah, I know.
drink, and that'd be
You
fun.
can also heat up water, put Skittles in there, and make the best Skittle tea in the world. I've done that.
We're going to Walmart tonight. We're getting the biggest bag of Skittles we can.
It takes a lot of Skittles. And then
That's
at
why
the
it's
end
the
of it,
biggest bag.
and then at the end of it, whenever you drink all the water, the Skittles have melted and no color, but they still taste like Skittles.
Yeah,
It's like a
The
giant
biggest
Skittle.
bag
They're all
of
white.
Skittles only like this
Are they
big.
still individual flavors?
They kind of melted together to make one.
don't they
giant
have them
Skittle.
in like mini packs though? In the big bags of them, they're just like separated.
Yeah, but you
into-
can't have those. You have to get like the big bag so you can like
literally
it
the
needs
5-pound bag.
There needs to be a lot of Skittles.
Then I think you might have to go to Sam's Club.
I think if they
You get a
use
5-pound bag at Walmart.
if they use Skittle bags instead of sandbags and whores, that would be the brightest color.
Shoot the
Most
rainbow.
of them whores.
Am I bleeding or
They
did you follow the
put
red Skittles?
Skittles in their BB guns. And bam, bam,
What would
bam.
happen? I'd be like, oh god, I can take him, but
Best suicide ever.
No one would ever get tired anymore. I can't walk anymore.
no. See, the other side wouldn't shoot us. He'd be like, what is that? Yeah, Skittles, sir. We can't shoot that.
Are they shooting
Surrender.
Skittles at us? I do believe so.
Surrendered.
We have nukes. They have Skittle guns. We can't win this, guys.
Marshmallow guns. You put the Skittle inside the marshmallow, load the marshmallow into the marshmallow gun, shoot the marshmallow.
How did all these people die? We choked them with Skittles.
And marshmallows.
How'd you kill the people? What's happiness?
It's just too much.
They happy to death.
You know how Batman could beat Superman? You know who he couldn't beat? Skittle Man. Yeah.
How did you get your powers? Well, I fell
Batmello.
asleep in a bathtub full of Skittles one day.
And I woke up and I was fabulous.
To Joe would be fabulous. I'd be swag. It's like,
He gets
Swag man and
power
fabulousness.
whenever there's a rainbow.
Swagulous.
Skittle Man. I would be swag Skittle Man.
Skittle flag, man.
Squiggles. Bye bye. What's wrong with you? What? What?
I was putting words together, like, you know,
Swaggles?
yeah. Except I came up with a
Such a...
Giggles? Skeetles? Something dirty? Sweetness? Swingness? Pingus? Snooping as usual.
makes no sense. Pie. Skittle pie.
Piddle. Sky.
Skittle pie.
Sky.
How delicious would that be?
Stephen Pie.
Stephen Pie.
Bad.
Stephen Pie.
Stephen Pie.
Taste the rainbow.
Why are you looking at that? I haven't talked about silverware. My silverware is in nowhere. Nowhere of the sort. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
No, that's a knife. That's a knife. That's a knife. That's a danger. That's a danger.
What are you showing about? There's nothing in my hand.
Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.